Every meeting begins with a request. But no meeting exists in just one place. Every event touches dozens of systems, departments, decisions, and people. Yet the connections between them are often invisible, manual, fragmented, and expensive. Until now, enter Beautron. Because meetings don't operate outside the enterprise. They are the enterprise. And every attendee becomes part of the same connected experience. And every at Beautron's AI operating system, connecting, learning, acting. Events, enterprise, attendees, connected.